Hello guys, Mr. ATC once again for you and for another idea of housing, tree recycling. And I'm doing this video to share with you some of the nice upcoming projects that I will present to you in 2 days. And in this video, I will be sharing with you how I'm creating a very nice and simple patio deck using pallet wood. As always pallet wood. You know, one of the nice things with pallet wood is the fact that you can play with it and you can create beautiful stuff. And in this video that you will be seeing on Monday, I will be showing you how to dismantle and place them in a very simple way in order to create your own deck. And remember that most of the projects that I'm doing with you are in our own place, you know. So I'm experiencing stuff and I'm sharing them with you in order to show you how you can make it better for yourself in your own place. This patio deck, we went from this with an empty space to this for a beautiful patio deck only using pallets. If you're planning to create your own deck using pallet wood, I will advise you to join us on Monday, where I'll be showing you the beginning of this patio deck using pallets. Not that this project will be in several videos, so on Monday you will be seeing part 1 of this patio deck using pallets, and in the next day you will be seeing even more. If you are new to our concept and you would like to do beautiful things using pallet wood and create several stuff at home for you, I will advise you to subscribe just right here. Then click on the bell to receive a notification every time I'm sharing new content with you. Then I will see you on Monday.